When New York calls you, you better answer it, because that's where's your gateway to an extraordinary, exhilarating the American lifestyle. Let's introduce you to your next home in NYC. Welcome to W42nd, a student accommodation that promises a stress-free, lavish, and comfortable life in the most bustling city in the world. They offer 3-bedroom sharing apartments, wake up on a cozy bed, study on the desk, ample storage, and an organized room illuminated by natural light sounds just perfect, doesn't it? But there's more. Cook together in the well-equipped kitchen, eat together like a family in the dining area, and make the best movie marathons with a large smart TV without a buffer because the high-speed Wi-Fi is free. Speaking of a location, it remains the best. In just 13 minutes, you can walk to the City University of New York. In 10 minutes by bus, the Fashion Institute of Technology arrives. Just a stone's throw away, a haven of eateries, bars, and pubs welcomes you. When just in 1 minute you can meet a train from the 42 St. Bryant Peak subway station, explore the city of dreams while staying at a fantastic home. Just grab your spot now at amberstudent.com.